Vlogs TV.
Part 3.
Starting with the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I am here to share my views about the importance of teachers in your life. Mr. President. As we consider our school as our home, all the teachers must be considered as our parents. A good teacher helps us to become a good human being in the society and a good citizen of the country. Mr. President. Teachers know the students who are sitting in front of them are going to rule our nation. Tomorrow, so the future development of any country is in the hand of the teacher. Respected principal. We are not only learning academic lesson from a teacher, rather we are learning a lot of new things. They play a major role in molding our character. Whenever I say we are highly educated, it's not only our subject knowledge, it includes everything, our behavior, our confidence, our respect to others, etc. We acquire all of these only because of the presence of a good teacher. We need teacher in every stage of life. At any time we can seek knowledge, we can seek advices, we can seek suggestion from a teacher. It is important we have to understand the hard work of each teacher and we must appreciate their efforts and contribution. We must be always responsible and respectful to our teachers.
Yeah.